Hello?
Yo, can you hear me? Yo,
Can you hear
hello.
me?
Yeah,
Yeah, can you hear me?
yeah.
Yeah, I was putting my earphones in. I saw your little call thing. I was like, oh, somebody's calling. Yeah, we're just watching ABVC. It had a big explosion, but now, man, not looking so good. The daily chart definitely doesn't look good on it. And then the only other one that I see is GBS.
Yeah, GBS. What is GBS? I thought this was a shipper. No, it doesn't look like a shipper.
What you just say?
I thought it was a shipper.
Oh, shipper. Okay, got you.
What did you think I said?
Good morning. Good morning, Danny B. No, it was like your voice was kind of staticky.
Mm,
But anyway, GBS is definitely looking better than ABVC to me on the daily and all the charts. Even though it's kind of fading down, I would like to see it bottom out and try to work its way back up.
maybe. The
But
ABVC
AB,
just went straight up pretty much.
yeah, it's about to be trash today on the open. Boy, that thing's gone. Because the news on it is just a filing
Yeah.
for I guess they're trying to get permission to do studies on some kind of ADHD and MDD treatment. So it's like, I mean, they haven't even entered, you know,
Yeah, that's just the
anything.
beginning stages. It doesn't mean anything at all. Good morning, Lauren. Good morning, Donnell. Spy's looking all right.
One life said ABVC looks like something a sucker would trade at the moment.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know why anybody want to get in where it's at right now.
Cause it's trash. What do you mean? Are you? Oh, I forgot you don't look at higher time frames.
Me?
Yeah, you got to look at the 15, man. Look at the 15 and what it's doing.
I
This thing
didn't.
is.
I didn't. I said yeah. It's probably. I didn't say it was gonna do anything.
Oh, I thought you were talking. It sounded like you said, "Look, why wouldn't you get in right now?" or something like that.
Well, for day trading, neither of us use Weeble. I
Oh
use T.
no.
I use T. I use TOS and HH uses Street Smart Edge with Charles Schwab. But as I mean, as far as doing DD on stocks we day trade, we just pretty much do the DD the morning of. But now we're not looking at like the numbers of the company or any of that. We don't care about none of that. It's mainly technical analysis and psychology.
Daniel B said, "Who's calling?" Milton Friedman from Milwaukee.
Yeah, yeah. Well, he had his chance. You know, he's too scared to debate me live on camera. He can talk all the trash on behind that screen, but he won't get out from behind that screen. That's his home. It's his safe spot. It's a safe space so he can cry and, you know, deal with his emotions from getting triggered. But does that answer your question, Brian? It's kind of a bit of a vague
one,
one.
one life's over here trolling. He said he uses one Robin Hood for day trading.
Yeah, yeah. Good luck with that. You'd be stuck in a position they won't let you sell it. You take all your money.
One life said no reason to debate a more one life said no reason to debate a moron
Oh no
makes
no
everyone look stupid.
no 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 no. Y'all back down, so you can't talk. You can't keep talking trash when you back down live on the internet. You guys both have got nothing but little skin flaps between your legs, like Barbie dolls. Nothing there. There's just nothing, just flat. So you don't get to keep talking trash after you got called out and refused to see me face to face.
Oh man. Oh.
We're not going to do this today. Yeah, I saw PBTS broke 150. Got up to 175, but just not a lot of volume at the moment. It does have good news, kind of. They've got a Ethereum mining operating system to enhance mining efficiency. Ethereum did break over 3,500. It was over 3,500 a little while ago when I checked.
Lauren said, Ben said, catch me outside. How about that?
Exactly. They ain't ready. They act all big and bad, but they're my number one subscribers to my OnlyFans, so I don't. They be paying for that exclusive content. They want them elbow pics.
Oh.
How sad is that though? They're over there trying to talk trash. They're a whole live stream away talking trash. That's you know who they are. They're like on the Tim the Tool Man show, whatever that show was, where the neighbor was always hiding behind the fence. All you could see was his eyes. That's them. Oh yeah, Ether's still up, looking good.
I don't know what One Life is talking about, but he said the proof is in the ticker tape. Has been calling a top for 10 months. Oh, you talking about the SPY? Got you.
Oh come on! Like I can help that the feds are pumping billions of dollars in there every month. Like come on now.
Speaking of the SPY, let me go look at where this SPY is. Still pushing up. Let's go look at the VIX.
XCLA is going up. Let's take a look at XCLA. I like some XCLA. That was an interesting play a while back.
Ooh, getting close to that 20.
Is it coming down? I mean, we got to be due for some type of correction soon. See, this looks very barcodey on XCLA at the moment. Very, very low volume. I don't know. Everything right now this morning really looks pretty low volume. What's the highest volume we got so far? BBIG with 10 million. Let's look at the market watch real quick.
Is BBG, is that still moving?
Yeah, it still moves. I mean, it moved and hit a new high in pre-market. Or no, it didn't.
Oh.
No, that was just a pre-market high. I see it actually hit $10 yesterday, but basically went sideways, pulling back now, testing that 8 as support that it held the whole time.
Yeah, that's not one I'm going to touch on a day trade.
I'm particularly not liking much of anything. Maybe GBS.
Yeah, it's got a tight little range from the 550s down to the 450s. So I'm just gonna see if it can get back to the middle of that channel and maybe start the uptrend. But I'm not, trying to push it in one direction or another. I just want to ride a little bit.
Yeah. It's a little flag pattern. It's gonna open up right at the flag tip. So
if it breaks down that 450 though, like it's diving down now, it's not gonna look too good for long.
No, it's got a whole 450.
Well, with the open, those people like to sell, so it's very close to that level already. Unless it's a huge buyer at the 450. Let me look at the 450 level twos. 450.
Okay, here's one to keep an eye
Nah.
on. BLCM. They have a license agreement with the University of Texas. Very low float. Got a little wedge of consolidation so far in pre-market.
Hmm.
Kind of like that play. That's better looking than anything else.
Oh boy. I'm I may be looking for a bounce off the 450 on GBS for a small position, possibly if it doesn't just crack straight through it.
You right at the open?
Nah,
Okay.
I'm gonna let that first 5 minutes play out and see if it can crash down maybe to the $2.
There's a possibility. XCL8. It just doesn't have volume, but it is on a little uptrend.
Good morning, Gate. Let's see. Good morning, Jay Kratz. Uh, Daniel B said Forrest Gump of day traders, Ben McNutt. And then One Life says all these momentum low flows look like bull feces. Good luck. And then yeah, he's Daniel B said, "What's up, Jay Kratz?" So we're gonna see how it goes.
Let's see, how come GBS doesn't have volume? Let's see. It's had 8 million in volume so far this morning.
Yeah, pre-market, that's plenty of volume, but it may be what was the float on this one again? I think the float was 6.5 to 11 million. So it's definitely, it was a little range between Yahoo and Finviz. So it's popping up a little bit. We'll see. But it on the 5 minute it's kind of extended. I wanted to give another bottom higher than the 450s before I look to purchase.
Yeah.
Because right now,
Looks like it's going to try to test $5 right
yeah,
here.
but it's super extended. It could easily pull back there.
Let's see. PBTS. This one has a start of an uptrend. See where it's at 156. Got a lot of resistance ahead though. That is some decent news.
Yeah, DB, he's not blocked on my side. You should be seeing his comments. I can see all of his comments, and everybody on, pretty sure everybody on Twitch can see his comments as well. Yeah. So I don't know what's going on with that. BBBs.
BBIG starting to push back above 8. Let me do another scan and see if there's anything. No, nothing else popping up. It's kind of quiet in pre-market. I mean, there's been a few pops, but not that much.
Is anybody else having problems seeing One Life's comments over here in my chat? Can y'all see them, or is it just DB?
Yeah, so I think I'm gonna focus on BLCM and GBS at the bell and Maybe PT, was it PTBS? Because PTBS is still climbing slowly.
Oh, got you, Daniel B. Got you. Yeah, you got to switch to that live chat to see it. All right.
Interesting. Oh boy, yeah, ABVC is it's already getting destroyed.
Yeah, but it may be like the rubber band effect, you know. It may actually get pumped back up there. But only thing is that news catalyst, even if it gets pumped back up there, it may actually take even bigger dips down.
Yeah.
Because
It's
right
not
now that
very
volume
good
is
news.
dead. It was getting, did it ever get 1 million shares traded? Let's see, 5 minute, no. Only in the 15 minute did it get 1 million shares traded. So that tells you something right there. With that big move, only in the first 15 minutes of that big move did it get 1 million shares. So I think people are easing up out of it.
I don't usually like to get in
GBS,
pre-market, but I may get in BLCM here.
BLCN.
Yeah, BLCM.
Oh, M. Let me see. Let me see what you got. What you trying to get into? What?
Yeah, it's on a beautiful little uptrend, little triangle there. It's got PR. Just got the 200-day ahead of it. Break of four. It's got a gap with a little space up to 467.
You really getting into this, or you just playing?
No, I'm thinking about getting into it. It's a perfect little triangle.
All right, I'll be at the crucifixion.
What? It's not high. It's not that high. It's at 350.
I know, but the fact is, the pattern, everything
The
about it,
pattern's a triangle.
man. Yeah, triangle. Okay. All right. Well, BLCM. We'll talk about that one in the last rip.
The support is at 336, 335. So there's good support under it. It's above all indicators. It's above the VWAP.
Bruh.
This is looking bullish, except for the 200 days at 397. That's the only thing.
Bruh, you know what? Like I said, we'll talk about it in the last rip, man. Just hopefully I'll send a prayer your way.
Let's see, PBTS starting to still slowly climbing. We got 5 minutes.
FCUV trying to get back up. It's still not looking good, not in an uptrend. So I may just wait for my setup today and just be patient since I got time, because I got time to meet them outside. So I'm gonna wait. Nothing really particularly looking good. I only got 3 stocks on my scanner: ABVC, GBS, and FCUV.
FCUV, what does that look like? Had a big random spike at market open and is sold almost all the way back off. Although there is a lot of support at that 6 area, now it's above it. Got all the EMAs right through there. That thing is... Oh, it's not even that low float.
What are you looking at?
FCUV.
Oh, yeah. It's got to get some more action. It's losing out to the volume of the top 2, ABVC and GBS. So maybe if those fade, maybe it'll get some attention, but I'm not looking too hard at it.
Lauren, you bought some bacon yesterday for the first time in years, 17.99. Yeah, been telling everybody, man, bacon inflation. That's all you gotta do to see if there's real inflation or not. Just go look at the bacon.
SKLZ. Let me look at that. SKLZ. This better not be a $300 stock. Okay, so $13.
Man,
Is this?
I gotta take a shot on this, man. I cannot pass this up.
Oh, okay. All right, bro.
I can't do it. I can't
Oh,
pass
are
it
you
up.
talking about FCUV or the other one we were
No,
talking about?
BLCM, man. It's too good of a pattern, man. See
I
what I
got
can
you.
get in at. See if I can sneak in like, oh god, no, it's starting to go up. Oh, there it goes. Oh, man, this thing is
Yeah,
starting to move crazy right now.
yeah. J Crash said, "YOLO that, YOLO it."
I am gonna YOLO it. I can
Oh
get
man.
filled. All right, well, we got 3 minutes, yeah, so let's go ahead and break it off. So I'll take my
All
little
right. Good
breather.
luck to you and your traders, and we'll be over here watching and waiting.
All right,
All
sounds
right. Peace
good.
out.
Yep.
Oh, before we go, everybody, make sure you hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channels, man.
Yeah, man, come on, we need help here, man. This YouTube algorithm, it's a big evil beast. This big
Yeah.
evil beast keeps trying to terrorize us. But, all right, we'll holler at you later.
All right. Peace out.
Peace. All right, guys, you did it just because of our conversation yesterday. I'm telling you, inflation's real, whether people want to believe it or not. All right, guys, before the market opens, I'm going to go take a quick break. Well, that's some crazy news right there, but not surprising. But yeah, give me just a couple minutes. I'll be right All right. So BLCM trying to hold up 350 as support. If it can hold here and get a push on this next candle, should be breaking out. Can't hold 350, it'll crack down, but looking pretty good right here. There we go, testing 360. This is a strong close on this candle. Oh, maybe not. If it pulls back, pulling back a little bit, I thought we were about to close there. That's still not a bad close on this candle. Oh, I'm on a 15-minute chart. I don't even know what's going on in the 5-minute. Okay, there we go. And bouncing right back off of that bottom of that triangle. Let that do its thing for a minute. Let's look around. ELYS. R8C dumping at the beginning. Swing, not doing much at the moment. BBIG. PBTS gonna sell off here. Indecision. Followed by a red candle. TYHT, did this get halted? No. Oh yeah, I forgot about I forgot about one share of this. Kinda digging THYT too. It's got quite a spread. So BLC, I'm pushing all the way back up over 350. Very nice looking there. Oh, let me get out of this. I don't know why the hell I'm still in this. I did turn that. Yeah. Nope, I didn't turn that off. Turn all that stuff on. ATIF. Ooh, that might make a good move. That looks pretty good. Uptrending. Works. Looks pretty decent too. There's a couple of different patterns that may move. GBS selling off. VLC, I'm pulling back to the bottom of the triangle. Got a minute left on this candle. On the 15 minute, it should still look pretty good though. Well, yeah. I still got 5 minutes though for this 15-minute closes, so we'll see. It's gonna depend on this next candle whether it breaks out or not. COE pushing up, but below all EMAs, so I don't really like that. BBIG getting a little bounce there. I'm gonna go on this test of 850 on BBIG. I got a nice entry at 845. It's got to break 850 though. A little pullback there. Looks pretty good on that 15-minute. If it can, this 15-minute needs to close above that 840 line. So the end of this 5-minute candle. See BLC, I'm still slowly pushing up to 360. There we go. Come on, got to get up over this little plateau resistance at 860 or 865 actually. We're going to test that right now. BLCM still running. Can we get through this 865? And if we do, where are we going to run into next? Nothing. Some resistance 871 where we're hitting right now. There's not much resistance ahead of this. BLCM up to 370, really starting to move. Here we go, coming up to 9. Can we break through 9 and get a big rip? This is a nice candle so far on this. If it can break through 9, this is going to get real nutty. Oh, right through 9. Still going. Still going. Oh, we are going, boy. Boy, we are going. And we're getting halted. What a beautiful rip on BBIG. Goodness gracious. Woo! Boy, what a way to start out the morning. What a beautiful rip. Beautiful rip. And BLCM is still climbing as well. So I'm just going to chill out in these two trades. Just relax. Lightning Rick, you got some of that BLCM at 350. As long as it keeps slowly climbing, you know, I like BLCM. It just, the 200, the only thing I don't like about it is the 200's at 4. So if we can see it climb slowly up to 4 and then get a good test to 4, then I think we'd be good to go there. But we want it to hold above 350. Now it's above that triangle. Beautiful rip on BBIG though. Absolutely beautiful. Now we're going to be on halting right in some resistance. 9, let's see. Let me look at this resistance close. So we're over 9, so they're not going to hit that resistance. 950, there's some resistance there. We may potentially gap over that 950. And then 10. But basically the resistance is 9, 10, and 1050. Or I'm sorry, 950. 950, 10, 1050. That's what we're looking at. So we got quite a bit of ceilings to get through. Now, if we do break over 10, for some reason, if we gap above 10 or break over 10 and buying keeps coming in like it just did, this thing could get real crazy. Well, we were halted 5 minutes ago, so we're good there. BLCM still looking good. This is all I want, just nice, slow momentum up. We want a slow build up to that breakout. GBS looks like trash. We take that guy off. ABCC is still hanging up. ATIF hanging out. EYLS, that's jumping. FSUV, this one is starting to do a little U-shape there. Here we go, starting to push over 375. We're trying to test it right now on BLCM. Looking a little frisky. Vinco Ventures trapped shorts. This was yesterday's news on BBIG. Option traders bet big on squeeze potential. So apparently there's a short squeeze going on. Well, this could get real interesting then. If there's a capital firm who is trying to cause a short squeeze and the apes are paying attention to that, boy, this thing could be a crazy one. We'll see. But I'm not going to hold it for very long out of this halt. If it starts coming back down, I'm getting out. I'm not going to get involved in their shenaniganery. Good morning, Sunny Savage. The beginning of the... I'm not sure about that with the IPO page. I mean, maybe there's just not a lot of IPOs coming out in September, possibly. I mean, we've had a ton of IPOs come out in the last couple of months, so I mean, I wouldn't necessarily be surprised. BLCM starting to go. Oh, starting to push a little bit. Okay, we're out of this halt. Let's see. We're going to keep pushing up. Boy, we are pushing back up. I'm going to lock a 10 piece out here. There we go. Still going. Very nice. Up to 10. Can we break 10 here? Oh, we're going to short squeeze them out of here. There's a ton of selling, so this is a short squeeze. Look at this. Oh boy. Oh, boy. We're blowing right through 10. Oh, yeah. Come on. You're almost through all that resistance. Just a little bit more. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. BLCM up to 380. I got to take me another 10 piece off here. I can't. Man, I can't just not be making money, man. I gotta. Oh, we gonna. Oh, ooh, ooh. We pushed for a new high, so. Oh, let's go. Let's see if this can go over 11. Oh, here we go. Oh, a lot of selling at 11. Oh, right through 11. Boy, boy, boy. They must be squeezing this thing. Oh, we're getting halted again. Let's go. Let's go. What a crazy play. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm having a wonderful time today. All right. I'm going to throw a stop loss in on BLCM here. Just in case it comes back down. I don't want to take any losses. Yeah, I don't want to take any losses today. Oh, Jesus. Hey, you know what? This is still moving. It's not even, the EMA's even spread apart yet. I think we're going to see a test of 4 on this, so I'm not going to sell yet. Yeah, there's definitely some type of crazy manipulation sort squeeze going on, because, I mean, we just ran through all of this resistance like it was nothing. And there was huge sellers sitting on the ask at every resistance level, and the buy-in just blew right through it. So they are doing, somebody is pulling a short squeeze. I just happened to got in this off of the fact that the chart pattern looked good. ABVC still trying to hold up, but with BBIG starting to rip like it is, if out of 2 halts, normally out of 2 halts, I would say that BBIG is going to come down, but I don't know, because I don't know how serious this whole short squeeze is. But that momentum, that buy-in we just saw was pretty wild buy-in. Yeah, we are going to try to get up to 4 here on BLCM. But I'm ready to lock out at any moment. I got 30 shares left. Let's see, that one was at 8:52, so we got about 5 more minutes. Alright, trying to test 375 support on this guy. See, we got 3 minutes left. I just don't want to miss this unhalting because I would expect a pullback, but like I said, I don't know. If this short squeeze, if there's validity to it, which like I said, it looks like it, it may keep going. We'll see. Come on, BLCM, you're almost to that $4, buddy. You ain't got that far. If this candle can push over that 390 area on BLCM, we should see it test 4 on this candle, but it may slow down right here. May have a little pullback. Yeah, we're about a minute away. We should be. Something like that. Oh, we just unhalted. We're starting to push again. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Can we break through 12? I'm going to lock a 10 piece out here. Whoa, no. What are you doing? Lock a 10 piece out. What? What are you talking about? Why did that go back? Don't go. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now? How did that go back to good till canceled? I've been buying into stuff. Oh my god. What the hell, Thinkorswim? Oh. Why? Why would you do such a thing to me? That was dumb. That was so dumb. Don't know why that was back on good till canceled. It wouldn't have not let me bought in. It's unfortunate. That is unfortunate. Damn. I was all the way up to 1190. That's really frustrating because that one was not my fault. That was a Thinkorswim glitch. Hold on, just Oh boy. F in the chat for Ben. A BLCM. Yeah, that's looking a little ugly. I think I'm gonna probably go ahead and take this. So I'm at 845 or 345. Actually, I'm gonna put a stop loss in on this one above my entry. What are you talking about extended hours? This is not extended hours. What is going on with Thinkorswim right now? What are you talking about? Now we're back to what is going on? I'm about to lose my shit. I'm about to go nuts on Thinkorswim if it doesn't pull this together, man. This is ridiculous. God. Already screwed me out of probably about 50 bucks. Man. ABVC starting to do something. It's just still going sideways. I don't like this big candle here, or this big wick. That's a pretty ugly wick. See, when we get halted on this downside trade. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong thing. There we go. Oof. Alright, we just came out of the halt. Let's see if it can swing back up or not. Just trying to push back up. God, this thing is all over the place. I mean, just all over the place. See if we can re-break 1050. Yep, trying to break 1050. We are just all over the place here. This is definitely a fight between the buyers and the shorters. There's a battle going on. Shorters are trying their best to bring this down. And they may be successful unless they can hold above 10 here. So I like this candle. Big buyer sitting on the VWAP. See, if this candle starts dropping anymore, I'm getting out. If it starts pushing up, I'll stay in. Trying to push back. If we can get back over 10, this thing will be ready to start moving again. Need to get off of this 950 level. There it goes. Starting to push back towards 10. Come on. $9.75 starting to hold as support. Yep. Nope. Cracking there a little bit. No, still holding. Alright, let's see if we can get back through 10 here. We're approaching it. There's some sellers at 9.90. They just got blew right through like it was nothing. Bunch of sellers at 10. Let's see if they get taken out pretty quickly. Yep, right through 10 again. We're still getting held up there a little bit. Yeah, still some selling at 10. Alright, they're out of there. We're going to go on another push here. I don't know. We want to hold above 10. We don't want to drop back below it. See, 10 is trying to hold. Bids continuing to stack. You see it push back over 10 here real soon. Mm. 975 still holding up. If it cracks below the bottom of these candles, I'm getting out. I see it get a little bounce back up. Look at this on the 15-minute. Looking a little ugly on the 15-minute. See, that body's pushing back up. If it can push back above 950 before this candle closes, then that's alright. BLC, I'm still hanging around that 372 area. Go ahead and remove all these drawings. We know there's crazy resistance ahead. Back above 950. Big buyers starting to come back in. And 950 got to hold. Got to hold that support. Don't start pushing back down. It's the last 9 seconds of this candle. Not want it to drop anymore. BLECM coming up to 4 right now. About to get ready to lock out over there. I'm going to give that a second and try to break 4. You're going to get hung up at 4. You're going to break out. So I did struggle with that $4 area. That is the 200-day. I'm gonna lock a little bit out here at the top. BBIG. Yeah. Needs to push back up here. PLC, I'm still trying to test that 4 area. It may try to break 4. May try to break the 200-day moving average, and it is testing 4 right now. Yeah, fell on the break so far, getting rejected. But that was a good little test to break over 4. No, it didn't break over 4, so that is a little sketchy. I don't like that candle. Needs to hold 950 here. There we go. Gotta hold above. We don't want to see this drop any lower. If this candle drops any lower, this is going to be done with. Come on, push on back up. Get over at 965. Don't like that it's holding 965 as resistance. I'm very close to jumping out of this if it does not get back above 950. Let's see, we got 10 seconds left on this candle. We'll see. Looks like it made doji here. So the next candle is going to, it may not doji, but it's an indecision candle. So if this candle pushes down, this is over with. If it pushes up, it could still rip. Starting to push down. We're going to see any buying, push it back up. Getting a little bit. Trying, the selling pressure is heavy. Still not getting pushed down yet though. Get back over 950. Selling at 950. Gotta break back over 950 here. Getting out. Alright, so 56 there, but looking like it's gonna crack, so I can't hold it anymore, especially after getting screwed out of all that extra profit, but that's okay. We still got BLCM slowly climbing, retesting 4 right now. Let's see if it can break 4 here. Breaking through it pretty easily there. But we didn't get any bids to stack on 4. Let's see exactly what this 200 day is. We can go ahead and move that stuff. Yeah, we're hitting that 200 right now. I see BLIN has started to come back alive some. Very nice. That swing may work out in the end. Yeah, I don't like that. I'm getting out. So I'm locked out altogether with $77. Yeah, $77 in profits today. So not bad. 2 trades, both green. I will take it. Should have been a lot more. Damn you, Thinkorswim. So frustrated. I don't get frustrated when I make stupid mistakes, but when the damn platform that's supposed to be the best in the world makes mistakes that cost me money, that really chaps my I was trying to think of something crazy. Wow, FCUV still ripping up. What a rip on this. Barely any 4 million in volume, and this thing just continued to rip. Let's see, PBTS cracked that trend line, selling off. Now, if you guys want to know why I liked BLCM this morning in pre-market at this 345, the reason I liked is because everything else was up. This had PR. And it's decent PR. It's a licensing agreement, which is always good. But it just made one pop up and sold back off, but then was slowly climbing up. So it may continue to slowly climb up all day, but I just got to take it because that resistance, that 200 days at $4. But yeah, it's making a nice little upward momentum, making that triangle like I showed in pre-market, and getting that climb up. Nice, Brian. See, very nice. I try to make big money, man. Thick Swim screwed me over. That's all right. $75. I'll still take it. That puts me green on the week. I'm still red because of last week, but it at least puts me green on this week. And my BLI swing seems to starting to be warming back up, which is a nice sign. So real quick, I'm gonna go take a break after that back and forth battle with not BLCM, but BBIG. Thank you, Lori. But yeah, be right back. Give me a couple minutes, guys. Alrighty then. Let's see. Let me get caught up on the live stream here and see what if I got any questions or anything, because I know I haven't looked in a while. Aside from me who likes guns. Oh, that's good. They need to get sued. BBIG has a merger coming soon. That's interesting. Check out FUZV. Yeah, it's still going up. it's just going up every little bit and getting halted. It's a hard play to play. Like, if you didn't get in early, then I wouldn't want to be in. See, I won on both of these plays, but where were my entries at? My entries were near support. So that entry on BBIG 845, that was right off of the VWAP. Buying it right off of support. Same thing with BLCM. Bought that one early. And that's why I was telling Hal, it's like there's a lot of support below this. I mean, it held up all the way through pre-market. But buying at support, selling at resistance. That is what you want to do. Simple as that. Yeah, ABVC getting destroyed. It may try to come back up, but really bearish right now. BLCM is going to try to test 4 again, it looks like. Yeah, it's going to try to test 4, and then actually it probably will break 4 if it tested again. Plus 10 on the top 10 NASDAQ gainer. What's the highest gainer? FCUV. And they got SQGB. That's a low float. A lot of the stuff is green. The market must be pretty green, yeah. Let's see, where's that DIA at? Ooh, the DIA is still in a downtrend. Maybe rejawed a little bit, but that's a downtrend. Interesting. Let's see, the SPY's still trying to push up, but the DIA is downtrending. I think SPY may be giving false confidence. BBIG has broke the downtrend. Got a bullish green candle there after this indecision. This could possibly run again. Re-break a 10. Jeez. Yeah, if you want to know what all is going on, just go to the World Econ Forum. It's all on the World Econ Forum. So, if anybody has any questions, suggestions, or ideas, go ahead and get those in. I'm out of funds today. I'm not going to take any more trades even if I wasn't, because I am in the green and I'm going to leave in the green today. BLCM, VBIG, those two could remain on watch all day, and possibly this FSU or FCUV. God, that thing just gapped up like $1 out of that halt. $12.70, and just getting halted again. Oh no, it didn't get halted again. Yeah, it jumped from 12. Oh, it's getting halted on the downside though. That's why I was saying if you're not in early on this, you don't really want to be getting in up here. But that gap up was from 12.79 to 13.43. So that's a 60-cent gap up out of that. This thing has got, that means it's probably going to gap down 50 or 60 cents out of this halt. BBIG, like I said, it just broke that downtrend, making a bullish engulfing candle there over the indecision candle. So it's back above all EMAs. It could easily try to run again. Break at 10. That's all it's holding it up at the moment. Right across the tops of these candles. But I mean, it's still getting pretty strong volume. This is a nice little U shape. Looks like it's going to come up and test 10 in just a second. But first day of September. Well, I've been saying fall. You know, once we start getting into fall, this is the hottest time of the year normally for these low float penny stocks. So I'm expecting it to continue to heat up more and more as we get closer to October. What's POW doing? I'm gonna get that video out for you, Lauren, here very shortly. Let's take a look at POW. Oh yeah, it's still in this big triangle consolidation. Just slowly moving, testing that 750-ish area, but not looking too bad. See, BBIG is struggling with that 10 still. ATIF is one to keep on watch too. Hasn't got much volume, but it's held all of its gains on this daily chart. Been slowly climbing up. Break of $4, that could start running. Just needs the volume to come in. BBIG needs to hold 950 as support now. If it can hold 950, you can see it push back to 10. But if it starts cracking 950, if it drops back below these indicators and stuff, that's going to be a bearish move. Testing at 950. I did not trade any. All I traded was BLCM, $21 profit, BBIG, $56 profit. Those are the only trades I've took today. Oh yeah, BLC I'm giving up, so couldn't break for it. And that's what I was worried about. That 200-day moving average is always, always very strong as either support or resistance. Because it's above it, it is resistance. Looks like BBIG may try to push up again here. See, A-pop got a little pop. Very nice. I tried to get out, but Thinkorswim reset my order. They reset the TIF on me. I had the TIF in pre-market on good till cancel, but then I changed it after pre-market because I bought in here, and then when I started selling on this candle, I sold some of it, sold some more there. Then I went to go sell the rest of it at the top, and it rejected my order saying it's not that time of day. So I had to fumble around with this to figure out what it was. For some reason, it reset it back to GTC EXT. So that one was not actually my fault. That was a Thinkorswim glitch that caused me quite a bit. No, I didn't allow it. Thinkorswim did not work properly. Didn't allow it to do anything. What do you mean allow? What do you mean allow? You can't allow a stock to do anything. Stocks do what they want. Looks like it's going to try to give it a little test here, maybe. Got another red indecision candle followed by a green candle so far. That one's not really a... Well, I guess you could say it's a bullish engulfing. Testing that 990 though. Let's see if I can break through. Yeah, whatever, Dan. It'll be. You can go back and watch the live stream and see it. Go back and watch it. Don't see it. Don't. You know what? Blech. That's what I'll say to you, sir. I'm not even going to start with you today. So let's see. It's getting closer. Yeah, I give the stream about 15 more minutes. So if you guys have any questions or anything, go ahead and get those in. I don't, Alright, Daniel B. Enjoy that for a little while, bud. How about that? You want to short the NASDAQ, Josie? Man, it is up. It's the NASDAQ composite. And it is up quite a bit. And then, like I said, on DIA, the SPY is pushing. Actually, let's see, the SPY. Yeah, SPY's going sideways. but the DIA is still in that downtrend, which is more balanced than the SPY. So it may start to turn red. Let's read some of the news articles here and see what we got going on. See if there's anything important. So PMI for August, nothing really big deal there. Construction spending is up a little bit, 2 points. Scotland to use I gotta read this. What? Scotland to use vaccine certification to curb virus. How is a certification going to do something to a virus? That doesn't make any sense. Manufacturing PMI about the same. Non-employment change. Unemployment's higher than the prior. So that's not good. European markets higher. ECB, what did it say? ECB to raise growth forecast next week. Crude lower as OPEC meeting begins. I'm say White House says U.S. housing prices have soared as pandemic reshaped where Americans want to live. No. Housing prices have soared because of the massive inflation, and people need whatever. People moved around, but that didn't make the house market hot necessarily. It made it hot in certain states, but not all through America. But part of those prices going up are because of inflation. So yeah, BBIG getting rejected there, but it is trying to make another little curl up here. Got a little triangle of consolidation. If it just got to break that 10, that's it. Yeah, I didn't block you. I just put you in timeout, Daniel B, because you're trying to start stuff and there's no reason for it. So switching to your Jesse Livermore is, whatever. Oh wow, yeah, I'm a dictator. I'm a dictator because I silence the asshole that trolls my stream every single day. Sorry. Well, people call me dictators, If you're gonna call me a dictator, I'll act like one. Just lost your wrench one life. How you feel about that? Oh, let me pop over to TradingView and check what's going on everything else before I call it a day. Let's see what we got. Anything exploding today? No, everything down still. So Except for Ethereum. Ethereum's looking really good. And Bitcoin looking fine. Yeah, so cryptos are all looking fine with Ethereum being over that 3,500 area. So let's go into the index and futures. Let's also turn this dark. I hate this being so white. Ugh, hurts my eyes. There we go. So Dow Jones Industrial Average curling over a little bit there on the 4 hour. The dollar pushed back up, still dipping down. Gold holding over 18, silver back over 24. Oil getting a little rebound, and then the dollar is performing pretty bad against everything else. What was that one? Oh, the euro. The dollar's getting destroyed by the euro, apparently. Nasty. Alrighty then. Oops, I just closed my browser, so now I don't even know what's going on over there. Give me a second, guys. I'm getting back to the live stream. And it looks like BBIG may be getting ready to break that 10 area. There we go. I don't feel threatened at all. I don't feel threatened at all. You guys, like the fact that y'all are trying to make this like I'm the bad guy and a dictator is really hilarious. When you guys have literally been nothing but a-holes for the past, I don't know, 3 or 4 months, and now you're like, why are you doing this to us? Why would you do this? Why are you being so mean? Why? Cause I'm a dictator. That's what you said. You know, I'm the big dick spud potato tater dictator. But anyway, enough of that nonsense. You'll get it over it. You're both over 40 years old, so surely your feelings aren't going to be too hurt by that. See, whew, boy, FCUV is a dangerous, dangerous stock. Look at that. Was that the gap down out of that halt? God, that was that was more than I thought it was going to be. 12 all the way down to 10. A $2 gap down. Oof. That hurts the soul. PBTS selling off. That is just turned into garbage. Work selling off. And BBIG up, cracking this down the uptrend there. So BBIG is looking pretty done. Could not get that push up. See, that one's still climbing. I don't like this one, though, because it's below all the EMAs. This is basically a dead cat bounce from where this gap down, bouncing off of $5 back up. A little low float. Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of reasons why I think the Nasdaq has some retracement. That's for sure. I mean, I don't really look at EZ. I just look at those basic futures just to kind of get an idea of what's going on besides just the stock movements. Are y'all really still going on about this? Are y'all really still crying right now? Are y'all really pulling the victim card? You gonna act like victims? Really? Wow. Wow. Fantastic. I love it. So it looks like the market's kind of slowed down now, and that's probably because of the market going sideways. QQQ SPY, everything, all the ETFs going sideways at the moment. Oh, it's an OTC stock. I was gonna say, and then that show up on my scanner. What is this PTV? No news there. Let's see, is BLCM trying to come back up? Yeah, BLCM's trying to come back up a little bit. Just needs to get back above those indicators. It's bearish at the moment though, so it could easily crack this 365 and drop. And BBIG dropping too. Alright, so I think I'm going to call it a day. Kind of look at the ES. I said EZ, but I don't think I look at. That's not the right ES though, is it? No, that's a stock. It's like slash ES, right? That's the future. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, I mean we're right. This looks exactly like the SPY. I can never remember where this is at. No, analyze. That's where it's at. I don't know nothing about futures as far as the actual buying and selling of them.